Are you looking for 5 best PC cases today? I am diving into a hands-on review of 5 best PC cases. It's one of the top-rated items on Amazon right now. I'll walk you through the features, share my honest experience. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get future reviews. And let you know if it's really worth your money. Let's get into it. Number 1, Li LANCOOL 217. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO is a premium EATX full-tower PC case designed for enthusiasts who demand extreme airflow, customization, and build flexibility. It features a breathable tempered glass front panel that balances aesthetics with efficient ventilation, supported by dual 200mm sickle flow fans for powerful cooling with low noise. The case supports large motherboards, up to SSIEB, and offers extensive radiator compatibility, making it ideal for high-end air or liquid-cooled systems. A standout feature is the Iris customizable LCD, which allows users to monitor real-time system stats or display personalized visuals. The multi-chamber layout improves thermal efficiency by isolating heat-sensitive components, while the toolless design simplifies installation. Connectivity is modern and versatile, including 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C and 4x USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. With ARGB Gen 2 lighting support and advanced cable management, the HAF 700 EVO delivers both performance and a highly customizable PC building experience. Number 2, NZXT-H7. The NZXT-H7 Flow is a sleek mid-tower PC case designed for gamers and builders who prioritize strong airflow and clean aesthetics. It features a perforated front and top panel that enhances ventilation, ensuring efficient cooling for high-performance components. The case includes pre-installed 120mm fans and supports up to 10 fans in total, along with large radiator compatibility, up to 360mm, making it ideal for advanced air or liquid cooling setups. Its tempered glass side panel offers a clear view of internal components, perfect for showcasing RGB builds. The H7 Flow also stands out with its improved cable management system, featuring wide routing channels, hooks, and straps for a clean interior. Toolless panel access simplifies installation and upgrades. Modern front I/O includes USB Type-C and multiple USB-A ports for convenience. Overall, it combines performance, simplicity, and stylish design for a powerful PC building experience. Number 3, Corsair 2500D. The Corsair 2500D Airflow MATX PC case is a compact yet highly capable chassis built for users who want strong cooling and a clean internal layout. Its dual-chamber design separates core components from the power supply and cables, creating a tidy build while improving airflow efficiency. Fully mesh panels on the front, top, side, and bottom ensure excellent ventilation, making it ideal for high-performance gaming systems. This case supports wide cooling flexibility, allowing multiple fan and radiator configurations, including up to 360mm radiators for advanced liquid cooling setups. It is also compatible with reverse connection motherboards, helping reduce visible cables for a cleaner aesthetic. Despite its powerful features, it does not include pre-installed fans, giving users full control over cooling choices. With tempered glass for showcasing components and strong cable management potential, the 2500D offers performance and customization in a modern compact form. Number 4, Li LANCOOL 207. The Li LANCOOL 207 is a compact yet powerful ATX gaming case designed to deliver exceptional airflow and efficient space utilization. Featuring fully ventilated mesh panels on the front, top, and bottom, it ensures excellent cooling performance for high-end components. The case comes pre-installed with two 140mm ARGB fans at the front and two 120mm PWM fans near the PSU shroud, providing strong out-of-the-box airflow and vibrant lighting effects. Its innovative internal layout includes a front-mounted PSU and an offset motherboard tray, improving cable management and allowing better radiator clearance. The LANCOOL 207 supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, along with up to a 360mm radiator for advanced liquid cooling setups. A tempered glass side panel showcases your build, while GPU anti-sag support ensures stability for large graphics cards. With modern front I/O, including a USB Type-C port, this case combines performance, style, and flexibility in a compact chassis. Number 5 Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO. The Cooler Master HAF 700 EVO is a flagship EATX full-tower PC case built for extreme performance, airflow, and customization. Designed to support large motherboards up to SSIEB, it offers massive interior space for high-end components and advanced cooling setups. The case features a breathable tempered glass front panel combined with dual 200mm sickle flow fans, delivering powerful airflow while maintaining low noise levels. A standout highlight is the Iris customizable LCD, which allows users to monitor real-time system stats or display images and animations for a personalized touch. The multi-chamber layout improves thermal efficiency by separating heat-generating components, while the toolless design simplifies installation. It also includes modern connectivity with 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C and 4x USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports. With extensive radiator support, ARGB lighting, and premium build quality, the HAF 700 EVO delivers a top-tier PC building experience for enthusiasts.